In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a countdown timer to your Shopify product page. Countdown timers are a great way to create urgency, boost conversions, and encourage customers to make faster purchasing decisions. Let's get started and set it up. On the Shopify dashboard, we need to click on Apps. After clicking, we should select All Recommended Apps. Next, click on Shopify App Store. Once here, we will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Now, let's search for the Essential Countdown Timer. Here is our result. This will be the Essential Countdown Timer bar. We just need to click Install. Let's wait for it to load. It may take a moment. Once it's done, click Install again. The app will now install in Shopify. There may be some verification and installation steps. When it's finished, click Open Timer Settings. After that, make sure the timer is enabled. Now, click Save. Next, we go back to the Essential Countdown Timer, then click Create a New Timer. Now click Product Page, since we want to add the timer to a product page. Select the timer type. Here, we will set up the countdown timer, for example, for a sale. Now, add the title. This will be the timer's title and ending message. We can set the days and hours here. We can also set the minutes and add a name if needed. Once we configure these settings, we continue to the design. When we're finished, click Publish. After publishing, the timer will appear on our product pages in the store. And that's how we add a countdown timer to our Shopify product page. This simple feature can increase engagement and help drive more sales.